of Nigeria, the Honorable Minister of Agriculture, who I always call the Minister not only of Nigerian farmers, but the Minister of African farmers. All other protocol most respectfully observed. Mr. President, I'm speaking as a representative of the Nigerian seed industry in this country. Seed industry in Nigeria began in 1986 when an American seed company came to Nigeria and established Pioneer Seed. Just 3-4 years, because of the poor market, poor uptake, nonchalant attitude of the government at that time to the seed industry, they had to pack and go back. As at 2005, Mr. President, there are only 23 seed companies in Nigeria. With the inception of Agricultural Transformation Agenda today, there are 8 registered and accredited bona fide seed companies in this country. Not only that, Mr. President, on a visit to the National Seed Council recently, I made to understand there are other 75 seed companies who applied for registration to become seed companies in Nigeria. But the most interesting thing is that the major leaders of seed, world leaders in seed production, like Josenta and the other important seed companies, are now in Nigeria in order to do this business of seed production, because of the vibrancy and the support the seed companies are getting.
The distinguished senator has so much to say to celebrate this distinguished advocacy and transformation within agriculture. Distinguished senator, in one word, what says it for you that agriculture is working? Just to everyone, Nigeria and everyone watching here this morning, sir.
Yeah, Mr. President, I have to round up, but let me give you this information, Mr. President. Just in 2013, 70 companies were selected in Africa by Allied for Green Revolution in Africa and were given target of 2015 to be able to produce 10,000 tons of seed.
Yes, sir.
But a Nigerian seed company was the first. A Nigerian seed company was the first to attain that target in December.
We have attained the target. Great Nigerian farmers. It has happened. And here we have Youth Employment in Agriculture Program. The yippies are here. Our distinguished senator has said it as it needs to be said. No more corruption. First class, first position, not just in Africa, but on a global reference of agriculture economy. And right now, we invite, on behalf of the yippies, Lady Farmer Mosumola, over to you.
Good morning, Mr. President. On behalf of the youth in Nigeria, I want to say a tremendous thank you for the transformation in the agricultural sector. We have all leveraged on the opportunities within this sector, and today we have all, most of us have received grants under the Youth Empowerment in Agricultural Program to move our businesses forward. We have received equipment, some of us have received funding, some of us, our farmlands have been cleared for us, and we just want to say thank you for this agenda, and we're grateful that in your tenure, we have been able to move our...
Mosumola, say it better. You've moved forward. All the yippies, is agriculture working?
Yeah.
Is agriculture cool or hot?
Agriculture is cool.
Everybody say it out loud. Yippee, yippee, yippee. Hooray! And now, from Nollywood, it is working. Amoni, I beg, tell them.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Mr. President. I'm going to stand on all existing protocol. Agriculture is working. Nigeria is working. President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan is working.
And Nollywood is working.
Nollywood is working. My name is Omoni Oboli. I'm a Nollywood actress and filmmaker. We're very excited in what is happening in agriculture today. For the first time, there's a synergy between agriculture and Nollywood because we're looking into making movies that will promote agriculture, that will promote the young people in agriculture. I have been opportune to look very closely into agriculture because of the movies that we're planning to make. And I've seen a lot of young agripreneurs and what they're doing in agriculture today. We just want to say thank you to the president for all the programs in agriculture for the young people, for YIP. I'm going into agriculture myself because agriculture is the future of this country. And I'm very proud of the minister as well and what he's done in agriculture.
Put your hands together for Nollywood lady farmer, my sister Amani, affirmative farming.
Yes,
And the
Nollywood
thing
is working.
with Nollywood is working.
Agriculture is working.
Celebrity industry is working. All right now, please put your hands together, Nigerian great farmers. It is working for you. But most importantly, it is working for this nation. Who said austerity? With agriculture, we only have one way to go. It is prosperity for Nigeria. And from 2015 going forward, it is prosperity for Mr. President. Honorable Minister, this is your call to invite your farmers president, the #1 farmer president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, no, of African agricultural diaspora.
Thank you very much. I don't have to say anything more. I think all the farmers of Nigeria have spoken. The big masquerade has to enter. Let me welcome His Excellency the President, President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, the friend of farmers, the supporter of farmers, the one who is known as the Farmers' President, Your Excellency, President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, sir.
Thank you. Please be seated. His Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Kaduna State, thank you for being with us today. The representative of the Governor of Niger State, the Honorable Minister of Agriculture, our Chief Host, other members of the Federal Executive Council here with us, the country representative of FAO, other international organizations partnering with us in our agricultural transformation agenda, very senior government functionaries, captains of industries, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, my great farmers. Today is a remarkable day in the history of our great nation, a day of celebration and solidarity with our dear farmers who supply our food, which is the foundation for human life. In furtherance of our rejuvenation and redefinition of agriculture and your earnest partnership in this revolution, I'm exceptionally delighted to receive you all today in Abuja. Our nation is blessed with abundant agricultural resources, but for too long we have depended on crude oil and neglected agriculture. This situation created poverty and suffering in our rural communities. When I appointed Dr. Adesina as the Minister of Agriculture, I charged him to turn agriculture around. My vision was very, very clear on that. turn agriculture away from being a sector for managing poverty to one for creating wealth for our people. We now see agriculture as a business, not as a